If you are looking for a way to create Rico Animations video and start making money with animation this year, then watch this video till the end. I'm going to show you step-by-step process how I created this Rico Animations video you are watching for free using FlipaClip app and free images. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and follow this page so that you won't miss any of our future animation tutorials. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to open your FlipaClip app. Then you have to do what? Let us start the staging the character, because each time you want to animate, you need to stage your character. Okay, so when I mean staging your character, I mean making sure that the audience understand clearly what you are doing. So I need to change this background so that I will add an empty background. So click on that three dots for you to change your background, then go to project settings. Okay, so click on project settings, and then from this place now you need to go to that background section and then click on that background icon in order for you to change your background. Okay, so you know the first background contains I love animation. Okay, but in this one now it's going to be an empty background because we want to achieve this effect of whereby the background will be blackboard will be empty, and then we'll be now be adding text like 1 2 3 and then ABC on the blackboard. Okay, so we're going to select this empty background, like empty blackboard background that does not have any write-up in it, like this one. Now you see it's an empty this thing. Then if you import it here and then click on that good icon to import it into the project. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Yes, click on that button. So now you can now save the changes. Okay, you will see that FlipaClip will update us with the new background, as you can see. So you see, as you can see, I've already designed the character we'll be using for this animation, so there won't be any need for us to draw characters from scratch. I use a special app that helps me create cartoon characters before importing them into FlipaClip for animation. If you want to learn how to create your own cartoon characters like Rico Animations character, and even how to monetize your animation skills, then I recommend you join my animation class. Okay, to join the class, click the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, and then or just comment I'm interested. I will send the app and the link to you. Let's continue making the tutorials. So now you have to be checking all the frames. Okay, so each frame you check, you'll be checking where the hand started to move. Anywhere the hand start to move, then add a text there. Okay, like this place now the hand did anticipation to point out. We are meant to start adding a text here. Okay, so immediately the character hands start coming out, add a text, so that thing will create an illusion of movement, of that something is appearing at a specific interval. So click on that T icon over there to add a text. So I'm going to add A for now. So I'll add A, and then I will just tap on that place they say type to insert. So just type A there and then you press done, then press insert. So I'm going to insert the A text. Now click on that corner of that A to scale that thing up because it needs to be bigger. So scale it up to match the size of the wall. Okay, so once you have it there in the position you like, then copy the thing by clicking on that icon. Then if you copy it, go to the next frame. Okay, go to the next frame. Because of now the hand has started to point out, go to the next frame. You see that the next frame the hand is already pointed out, so you have to continue pasting that A. So far that you see the hand showing, continue pasting that A. So far the hand is pointing on that blackboard, continue pressing that A. Okay, to paste that A across the entire frames until you will stop only when the hand move back, like this one. Now you have to delete that A because the hand is already moving back. Okay, so we are trying to create an illusion of blinking, like the thing is blinking and disappearing. Okay, so this time that the hand is moved back, we don't need to show the A again. So throughout the frame we will not do anything, we'll just be moving across to the next frame until where the hand start coming out again, like this place. Now the hand have started to coming out. So what we have to do now is we have to add a new text again. So click on that T to add a text. Okay, Then this one now we're going to put it B, yes, so that we will now be doing like A, B, C, like a cartoon, you know, alphabet cartoon. Then insert the B now. If you notice, this B text now have the same details like the A, the same size, the same color, and the same font size. So we are going to change this color. Click on that color icon over there. Then you are meant to pick any color you like from this color box. Then I will choose blue color. You can also select a new font, text font. So I'm going to select different font style. You see that there are different style available, so you can just look around and check the one that you like, and then if you touch it, then it will be selected just like you see now. Then what you have to do now is for us to copy this text, okay, and then throughout the frame we are going to paste the text. So we are doing this thing in order to ensure that the timing is consistent. So our own timing is whenever the character hand point out, that is where we add the text. So by doing this thing now, by applying all this timing to this animation, you will see that we will have more control when the text, the alphabet text starts showing. And now the character hand have already moved back. We don't need to paste that color that text again, because now the thing is, now the hand have already come up again. We are meant to add a new text, okay. So that is the trick we are going to be using throughout this animation, and it's going to make the whole thing very much appealing to watch. Now is for us to add the C. So the same method, we are going to apply the C. So this animation now you are seeing is frame by frame animation, okay. But in my animation class, I will teach you the easiest way to animate digitally with switch selection and bone rigging, which makes animation very easy. So even if it's phone animation or laptop animation, my animation class will teach you step by step how to animate digitally and how to create cartoon videos, both 2D animation and 3D animation. So you can join us and learn in a very good way. So you see that this C color now the character hand have already moved back. We are meant to stop pasting it, okay. We are meant to stop pasting it and then continue to move the frame by frame until where the hand start coming out. So this time around we are going to switch the thing, either because we have been doing ABC now, so let us now do 1 2 3. So click on that text icon to insert a text. Then we are going to insert 1 here, you see. So the same method, yes, we are going to insert 1, the same method, okay. So when you insert 1 and press insert, then it will now be inserted into the project and it will have the same value as your previous text. So if you are okay with it, you can also change the font size, the style of the font, and pick any font that you like, okay. Then the next thing, okay, let me just pick a font. Then I will pick this one. Then I will change the color to a different color. Maybe I will do black, yes. Then what I have to do now is I have to copy this text, okay. I have to copy the text and then I'll continue to paste it throughout the timeline until where the character hand move back. So you see, I'm pasting it each frame I go, I will paste it. Ensure that you paste it on the right frames, okay. So time your animation properly. So now the hand have already moved back, so you stop pasting the thing and then start going on the frame until you reach that place the hand is no longer have started to coming out again. That is where you are meant to paste the thing again, like this place. Now we're going to insert 2 here, and then we're going to insert 2 in this place. So position it in the center of the blackboard and then let us change the color to a different color, okay. So open your color palette and then pick any color you like, okay. So I will choose this pink color, okay. Then I press OK. Then the same method, I have to copy the thing and then each frame I go, I'm going to continue pasting the thing, okay. One thing with me is if you watch my animation, I'm always good in timing. I always time things, because if you time your animation, you will know the right frame to add a text, you know, you will know the right time to add a new text. So this thing now makes animation very easy. If you understand the movement, you are going to enjoy, like, make the animation very much easy for you to do. So now the hand have already come up again. I'm going to add one last text. So this will be the last text we'll be adding, and this will be the 3. So this will be the last text we are going to add in this animation. So position it in the center of the screen, and then you have to change the color again to make it look different. Okay, so I'm going to change to a new color. Okay, so let me pick this, is it orange or magenta? I don't even know the right color. So let me position here. So guys, what is this color? If you know this color name, tell me in the comment section, because I don't know the color. If you know the color, tell me in the comment section so that I will learn the thing. Okay, because we are all here to learn. Okay, so the same method, the same technique, I will continue pasting the text throughout until the character hand move back, then I'll stop pasting. So guys, we are done with the animation, so let us play the video and see what is happening. Okay, I think, okay, even now the character hand already come out again. I think we need to go to frame viewers and delete this frame. Yes, because we are done with adding the text, because we are only adding 1 2 3 and ABC. So click on frame viewer. So that place the hand come out, you see. Other ones are okay, other ones are, the ABC are okay, and the 1 2 3, but we need to delete that places the hand come out again, because we are not planning to add a new text again. So we are meant to delete all those frames that the hand is pointing to the blackboard. Okay, so touch and hold it to select the frames, then you can now delete all of them. Okay, so I'm going to touch and hold from this place. I will continue selecting the ones I want to delete. Then if you finish, then click on that delete icon over there to delete all of them, then click on delete. Okay, so that is how you are going to delete these things. Okay, so now I'm going to delete them. So now we are done with the whole thing. So you can now play the video and see. So just go back. Okay, just go back now. Okay, then the next thing for us to do, now we have finished doing a video, let us play the video and see. That looks amazing. If you think I'm doing a great job, type congratulations in the comment section for me. And if you are enjoying this tutorial so far, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow this page, and share this video with your friends. Your support motivates me to create more animation tutorials and help you people learn animation. Now let's continue making the animation. So now click on that 3 dots, because I want us to make this animation to export the video. Then click on make movie in order for you to export your animations. Okay, so I think I need to change, let me remove all these text and add the correct text that we needed to add here, which is going to be Rico Animations tutorials. Okay, color, yes, color tests, because that is the focus. Color test tutorial. So now you see that my FlipaClip is a premium version. Now they are not showing watermark. Okay, all the features are working for free. If you want to get this FlipaClip, now this premium version, comment I'm interested. I will send the app to you directly. So if you need this FlipaClip premium app, drop a comment on this video, say I'm interested, I will send this app to you. Okay, then now let us wait for the video to export. So depending on the length of your animation, it may take some minutes, so just hold on. Very soon now the video will finish exporting. Okay, all right, so it's about to finish. Good, it's already finished. So let us play the video and see. You see? All right, so that is all about this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Now, if you are serious about learning animation, I invite you to join my animation class. I will teach you step by step how to create your own cartoon characters. I also teach you how to animate on the phone or laptop and create Rico Animations videos and monetize your animations faster. So what are the benefits of joining my class? Number 1 benefit is that you will get all the animation apps I use. All of them, I will give you all the apps. Over 8 free apps I will give to you, premium version. That is the advantage. And also, if we finish the class, I can also tell you how to get animation work, so that you can start working and be making money from your animation skills. Okay, so if you are ready to take animation skills to the next level, then click the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me, or simply share the number showing on the screen. Just tell me I'm interested. Okay, I'm going to guide you on the class. Okay, so now if you want to continue learning about Rico Animation, I have done over 20 tutorials on Rico Animation. So click the playlist link in the comment section to continue watching and learning about Rico Animation Thank you for watching, and please like this video, okay? Subscribe to this channel and then follow this page. All right, I will see you on my next video.